Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You need desktop Gmail and the email in your inbox. First, open the message, click the three-dot menu, and choose Show Original. This reveals headers and the delivery path. Once done, look for Received and TLS terms to confirm TLS was negotiated. Make sure to note the TLS version and cipher if present. This helps later when troubleshooting. You're now ready to extract the pieces Gmail shows about the encryption used during transit. Next, you parse the Show Original output to verify how TLS was used. Scan received lines. If you see ESMPS or TLS and a cipher name, Gmail accepted an encrypted transfer from the sending server. Once you find authentication results, confirm SBF, DKIM, or DMARC didn't alter delivery. These affect trust but not the TLS handshake. Make sure to copy the received header segment and any TLS details to clipboard. You'll need them for final verification or reporting to admins. Finally, conclude by saving the original message and its header data. Screenshot the Show Original view for records. If TLS indicators are absent or the cipher is weak, ask the sender to enable or update startles on their SMTP server and resend. Intermittent relays can downgrade encryption. Once done, forward the evidence to your IT or domain admin so they can enforce TLS on outbound/inbound routes via MTA policies. A key troubleshooting tip: if headers show no TLS, check the sending server's SMTP logs for handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.